Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Sharon. Today I am ready for going to outside so that I can create a nice English learning traveling blog by my favorite cycle. Now I am driving my cycle beside this Mukulfu Smart. This Mukulfu Smart is perfect for playing cricket or football. I am very expert to drive cycle. However, I drive my cycle with one hand and I pick up my mobile on my hand. I need to consciousness more so that no accident can happen. We come here while riding my bicycle. I suddenly saw a beautiful nursery. So I thought, guys, I would share it with you. You should come here, obviously, and buy some trees because planting trees saves the environment. Now, okay, guys, now let's start my journey again. আমি এখন জল্লাদ খানার সামনে আছি এবং এখানে জাতীয় দিবসে অনেক সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান আয়োজন করা হয় এবং পালন করা হয়। There is an attractive and beautiful children park next to the Jollat Khana. Hey, I come to our national cricket stadium ground, Kailabustin Mart, where we won many series. In here, you may also see some BNP posters. Yes, and I think upcoming election BNP will win and BNP will the government of Bangladesh. आप देख रहे हो ये ग्राउंड में कोई भी नहीं है और मैं यहाँ पे अकेला साइकिल चला रहा हूँ। I think the Polapine have a school now, so they cannot come here to play cricket or football. Viewers, I am really alone now. If you want to, you can play cricket with me now. We will have a lot of fun playing cricket on this field because there is no any person in here now. I noticed this while I driving my cycle. Can anyone tell me what is this red and yellow item? I don't know about it. In here I saw what a big water tank it is, and it is situated beside Kaila Bustir Mart. আমাদের মিরপুর দিয়ে যেতে মনে হয় আরও 10 অথবা 8 মিনিট লাগতে পারে। দেখা যাক কি হয়। I noticed someone filling up oil in his motorcycle, but my cycle does not need any oil. It is very good. Currently, it seems that the price of oil is only 140 taka. Guys, this time I choose this road to go to Mirpur DHS. It is it's a easy and shortcut way to go to Mirpur DHS easily in a short time. There are many vehicles running on this road like private car, and I am cycling without them without any fear. Absolutely it is very difficult for me to take the mobile on my hand and while I am driving my cycle in one hand. Flag printed in this road. It is good because absolutely Israel is harmful and a bad country all of the world. Now I am driving cycle throughout a gully. কিন্তু যাই হোক, এখানে যে গলি আছে এটা এটা গুলিস্তান অথবা মোহাম্মদপুরের মতো এত চিপা নয়, এটা একটা ভালো গলি। I noticed India Dalal flag and Israel flag printed on the road, and it is good. Nowadays, India is not our friend. The empty space under the flyover is where teenagers are playing, especially cricket. Cricket is very much popular nowadays in Bangladesh. I am very happy that Bangladesh has won the three series against Netherlands recently. Now I have to take this road and then I will arrive near to DHS. I noticed a board that no pedestrians will be allocated on this flyover. এই ফ্লাইওভার যে গাড়িগুলো অনেক দ্রুত নামতাছে। Now I will ride my cycle over this flyover. Okay, let's go to this flyover. Now I am driving my cycle over this flyover, and this expression is very good, and the view is amazing. Mainly large vehicles use this flyover to arrive their destination. Dear audience, I think I will go to Mipudiyaj, but suddenly on the road rain is dropping from the sky. Now I think I will go to Mipudiyaj or I will go to my home. If I go to home, this vlog was in because rain will coming fota, and if fota rain was coming, then how I will create this video. You just looking, I am staying in this Mirpur flyover, and this flyover is the shortcut to going Mirpur. In behind, many car is passing by me, and if you drive in the flyover, you may always always focusing in your mobile and in your security, because if you unconsciously you may happen a types of accident, and if you accident in this place, you will take to emergency medical admission. In here many hospitals are available. If someone may happen accident, he or she can admit it here, but I pray to Allah that everyone maintaining their consciousness and awareness and be aware on the road in the flyover while you driving cycle or another vehicle, and don't walk this flyover, because if you fly in this flyover, you may happen accident, and even you will die. यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं मैं फ्लाई ओवर हूँ, और फ्लाई ओवर के ये पास से बहुत सारा हॉस्पिटल भी है, जेमन ये है सारा हॉस्पिटल एंड डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर, और वहाँ पे है किंगस्टन अस्पताल। वो किंगस्टन अस्पताल मेरा एक चाचा भर्ती था 2014 में, एंड यू देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे बहुत गाड़ी चल रही है, और थोड़ा बारिश भी हो रही है, ताई मैं आप ये वीडियो को काट करता हूँ ना, मेरा मोबाइल भीग जाएगा, बहुत बारिश हो रही है भाई, बहुत बारिश हो रही है। ओके, खुदा हाफिज। यदि मैं ये बृष्टि से बच जाता हूँ पहले मैं और भी वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा आपके लिए, तापर इंग्लिशे, अब तो थोड़ा मैं हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ। ओके डियर ऑडियंस, if this rain will end, I will create next video, otherwise my mobile will be damages in this waterfall. Rain will damage my mobile. Bye. Successfully I locked my cycle in order to maintain security purpose. It is Mirpur DH Central Mosque, which is looking so amazing, beautiful, and nice. Many people parked their cycle and went to the mosque to performing Johor Salat. আর এটা হলো অজুখানা। Okay, after performing my namaz, I come to fourth floor of this mosque. You can put your shoe in here. Dear audience, it is nice window view. মিরপুর ডিএচের যে বড় মাঠ আছে, বিশাল বড় মাঠ, এইখানে যদি আপনারা আসেন আপনারা মন মতো ক্রিকেট ফুটবল খেলতে পারবেন, আপনাদের কেউ বাধা প্রদান করবে না। যদি বাধা প্রদান করে আপনারা স্পষ্টভাবে বলে দিবেন আপনার এইখানকার লোক। Another fact is that this mosque room is very big and is clean, good. এবার চলুন আমরা দেখব এই মসজিদের গম্বুজগুলো দেখতে কেমন। এই দেখতে পাচ্ছি গম্বুজগুলো অনেক বিশাল আকৃতির এবং এই মসজিদ আসলে অনেক সুন্দর আর অনেক বড় আকৃতির একটা মসজিদ, যা প্রতিষ্ঠিত করেছে 2018 সালের দিকে। Now the time is 2:58. In here we can see some coal, but it is unable to use, useless. আর এটা দিয়ে আগুন নিভায়। Okay, let's try to go to the 5th floor of this mosque. Oh, someone playing on the field. And in here the stairs is black in color. And you can see that in the 5th floor nobody is staying in this moment. Okay, let's visit the lift. That's it's work it or not. Now I am entering in the lift. This lift has comfortable, wow, and I will go to 12th floor of this mosque. And this lift space is very nice and big, good. In mosque street I found a cat. This cat is laying down on this. A very cute cat. I like this cat. This cat is very white, black. This cat wants to sleeping in his style, and cat is my favorite animal. Okay, cat, goodbye. Sleep. And this mosque where I perform my Zohr namaz. Now I will go to my cycling and I will go the next area. The area name is Uttara Rajuk Prokolpo Abashik Elaka. Okay, goodbye Mirpur DH and goodbye Kitty. A car is driving by me. Now I am entering an alley of Mirpur DHS. In here, a tube call is available for drinking pure water, which is absolutely free for everyone. Okay, now let's drink some water from here. Well. Momentarily, Mirpur DHS is a really security area. That's why here 3 guards are staying on this door. You can see that it's a abandoned playground. Now it is unsuitable for playing in a sport. Now I am trying to parking my cycle beside this road. And you can see that many unnecessary grasses are growing in here. This field owner is the authority of the Can Public. Okay, now dear audience, let's explore my dream college. It's my dream college, whose name is Mirpur Cantonment Public School and College. Unfortunately, I did not get chance to admit myself in this college. This college environment is perfect and suitable for my SSC life. For but this college is top 6 throughout Dhaka. I miss it very much. My dad loved. This college was established in 2001. This college teacher's behavior is very charming. For the security reason, I don't enter in this college directly. Our children are here. They are always like their way. Dear audience, you can see it is the lake side of Uttara. One day this road was unable to communication, but now its condition is nice to travel. Yeah, finally at last come to Uttara Metro Rail Station. Now I will drive my cycle very fast. Okay, you can see that I am driving my cycle rapidly, very fastly. Oh, I saw some security guards behind me. You can see this movement. I can drive my cycle easily without touching my hands, and it's my skill, bro. Okay, now I come near a cricket playground and I locked my cycle. You can see the playground and you can see some sports flag in here. Many sports flag were waving in this field. Hoo! I am coming to Uttara South Cricket Playground. I think today's weather is perfect for playing cricket purpose. I think this field is very big, but it is not free for everyone. It's a coasty playground. You need to 3,000 taka to play here for 4 hours. Okay, dear audience, let's check the wicket pitch. Is it okay or not? This pitch condition is not good. If you play in here, you may get early wickets. That's why I think it's a perfect bowling pitch. The batsmen need to struggle to run more in here. Basically, guys, I like to traveling by cycle, and you saw a beautiful cricket ground behind me, and it is not a free playground. If you want to play in here, you need to pay 3000 taka for 4 hours, then you can play in this ground. This playground is very beautiful, and in behind you can see three workers are working in this field. They are cleaning this field, because in this field there are many unnecessary glass. Okay dear guys, no more today, because on my mobile has only 2% charge. Now it will be will be shut down. Okay, now no more today. This blog is end in here. Allah Hafiz.